Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna talk about the thing which I don't like a lot.
No, don't like that.
Like, I'm drinking maybe once or 2-3 times a year, maybe. But when I'm drinking, I'm never driving even a car or a motorcycle or a bike or anything. But in this case, in California, one dude decided to drive a semi when he is drunk, right? A semi. He hit over 10 cars. He got stopped, tested, and was positive, and he's in the jail. And now he's gonna get a big claim on insurance and all that stuff. Guys, never drink and drive, because that will cost you CDL, rehab, and fines of, I don't even imagine, tens and thousands of dollars. Don't play with that. Our job is important, and we need to pay attention, because this thing, you see 10 cars, guys, can really damage. Imagine if somebody was in the cars, the families or any kids. You can kill 10 cars, 4 people in each, 40 people with just this thing. Imagine how easy is that. Take care, guys, and be safe on the road. Subscribe.